Hi, this is Christian from People Loving Nashville.
And I'm Kenzie, part of the Christ Presbyterian Academy Media Studio.
We want to invite you to join us next Wednesday, October 19th for the Homefullness documentary premiere.
And right now, we're standing right outside the Soli Deo Center on CPA's property where the premiere is going to take place next week.
Come inside with us and we want to tell you about the night.
And now we're here in the Soli Deo Center where the premiere will take place on Wednesday, October 19th.
Doors will open at 6:30 and you can come early and grab a drink from a Sulon Collective.
The documentary will begin at 7 o'clock, immediately followed by a Q&A panel where you will be able to meet some of our PLN staff and some of the students that got to work on the documentary for the past 8 months in downtown Nashville.
We'll wrap up the evening with a beautiful reception to celebrate.
Because this is a story about all of us. Because ultimately, we are all people loving Nashville.
We can't wait to see you there.